The UK chemistry community is committed to Europe. We really want to be part of Europe. We've had massive collaborations there, we have great friends, and we've had great success from these collaborations, and we must not lose them.
How would you describe the general mood among young scientists?
I think there are a lot of challenges, and especially more so, particularly in the UK going forwards into next year. But putting this into perspective, it is a fantastic career. I love what I do and other people love what they do, and it's just about sharing each other's problems and trying to help each other where possible.
There are already 40 million people suffering from Alzheimer's disease, and of course we know the social as well as the economic costs of this. In the next 25 years, that number will increase threefold. I'm convinced that we will be able to find treatments for these diseases, but it will need a lot of people from a lot of different disciplines working together coherently to find solutions.